How's it going, YouTube? Mr. Reshoevn8r back with another cleaning video for the shoot around light bone fear of gods. This is what happens when you wear your shoes to Coachella. Don't do it. Unless you have Reshoevn8r, I guess that is. So, you can find all the products that we're using here at Reshoevn8r.com. We're gonna use our 4-ounce 3-brush kit, our bowl, and a towel today. You can find that. Click the link above. Go ahead and get yourself some of this stuff because it is magic. So, without further ado, let's get started. $300 pair of shoes we're gonna clean right now, retail. These are actually pretty dope. It's got a nice soft suede to them. First thing we're gonna do here is, I guess I'll clean the left one today. So we'll remove that one. There we go. So we got a shoe tree. I forgot a shoe tree. You always want to use a shoe tree when cleaning shoes. It allows you to apply pressure on the toe box, even though we have this stuff with this. I'm gonna remove that. We don't want that to get wet. So let's go ahead and do this. Perfect. All right, since these have Coachella juice all over them, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this brush, soft bristle brush, and we're gonna go ahead and knock some of this dirt, existing dirt, excess dirt off. Okay guys, now that we brushed the dust off these bad boys, we're gonna go ahead and take this soft bristle brush. We're gonna clean this shoe entirely, evenly, to avoid any discoloration or watermarks. And then we'll go ahead and move on to the next brushes. Before we get started doing that, let me go ahead and add a little solution, a couple squirts. Let's do it. See the difference? Again, when cleaning suede, especially with a shoe like this, even though you have that hard line where the dirt is, you still want to clean this so you don't create any watermarks or staining. As 50 Cent would say, get the strap. Hi guys, let me know your opinion on these shoes if you like the fear of gods. Fun fact, Leo Chang helped design this shoe. He also helped design the KDs. So let me know your thoughts below in the comment section whether or not you like these and the KDs. I personally do like this shoe. It looks somewhat like a moon boot, which depending on what you're rocking and what you're wearing, it goes with it. I wouldn't wear it with every outfit. This is a specific shoe that I would wear occasionally with the right outfit, but I do think it's something different and unique that is cool. It's not like any other shoe that's really out there, so I appreciate that as far as an art aspect. So I'm a fan of the shoe myself. Alright guys, that's going to conclude using the soft bristle brush for now at least. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the medium bristle brush. As you can see here, this is going to allow me to get some of these deeper stains and really clean the shoe better after loosening it with the soft bristle brush. Before I go ahead and use this medium bristle brush, you'll see some dirt down in this lower section near the seam of the midsole. So I'm going to focus on that. There's some areas over here with some deeper staining. I'm going to go ahead and focus on those sections with this brush as well. If you purchase our laundry system and only receive the medium bristle brush, you can head to our website, Reshoevn8r.com, get the stiff bristle and the soft. It's only gonna improve the cleaning results when you're cleaning your shoes. Before I move on to the stiff bristle brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take the medium brush and I'm gonna hit this midsole. Okay, now that I've finished with the medium bristle brush, we're gonna go ahead and move on to the stiff bristle. Finish touching up the midsoles and the undersoles, and then we're gonna go ahead and let them dry and show you the before and after results. So I think that's all we gotta do. I am actually also gonna clean up this lace without taking it out. I'm afraid that I won't be able to get it back in through this eyelet. So let's go ahead and finish this up. Be back in a second. Okay, now that we finished cleaning that up, what I'm gonna do is take my towel and I'm gonna pat these dry. What this is gonna do is it's gonna help avoid any water drying marks. Sometimes if you get a shoe too saturated, it'll dry unevenly and it'll create some lines. So we want to avoid that at all costs. Just dry any excess water. Overall, these are looking awesome. I can't wait to see what they look like dry. As you can see here, a little quick before and after. They are wet, so they're a little bit darker than they will be normally. Last thing I'm gonna do before we let these things dry outside is clean the laces. Go ahead and move this here. Get creative. Try not to get it all over the shoe. All right, that's going to conclude this cleaning here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Get us to 1 million subscribers. I want to personally thank you for following us and checking out our content. I know Vic is your favorite. For most of you, maybe I can squeeze in there somewhere, who knows. But until next time, signing out.